Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of construction worker in Solomon Islands? Let's explore. Construction is a growing sector in Solomon Islands, supporting development and housing needs. The average annual gross salary is around $6,000 or about $500 per month. After taxes, the yearly income is about $5,200 or $430 per month. Where you work makes a difference. In cities like Honiara, salaries are usually higher. In smaller islands and villages, wages are often lower. Experience plays a key role. Beginners may earn around $4,000 per year, while skilled workers can reach up to $8,000. In most cases, having a university degree is not required, but those with one may move into higher-paying roles like construction management, while those without it usually stay in lower-paid labor positions. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.